I've had this discussion before, and people have, I've showed other videos on this, but this roofing is rolled roofing. It's meant to go on a rounded roof. They decided somewhere in the 90s to start putting on peaked roofs when you're on a budget anyway. So what happens is this rounded with these ribs in it right here go over, ends up causing wrinkles. And you're like, what's the big deal? This has been here 25 years. Well, look here. There's a hole. And there's a hole right there. Okay? That's what I have a problem with. And you got these leaks that you don't even know where they're coming from. Now what happens is this leak right here will run down that roof all the way down and hit that outside, and it'll make a stain on the inside of your ceiling because it's leaking way up here. Not much, just a little bit. Runs down, causes this bottom of this thing to roof, causes condensation, more condensation than you want inside the roof itself. So we are helping it by coating this roof, which is what we're doing right now. But it is a problem that eventually you'll end up having to, with the wind blowing this roof up and down, you'll end up having to put a metal roof on it. And of course I have videos on how to do that. There's another gentleman that I think it's Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. He puts rubber roofing on it. So you could look at that also. All right, just thought I'd let you guys know.